Hey guys! Today on my random vlog series that everybody will forget about in 2 days, I am cleaning my DVD player. As you can see, I got the laser lens cleaner. Let's put it in. And yeah, I got the Sanyo DVD player. I got it for free because somebody was throwing it away. Oh yeah, it also talks.
This program contains the clean.
I gotta clean it now. The remote there for now. Goofy all spin.
This DVD lens cleaner is specially designed with multiple microfiber brushes, which clean the dust, dirt, and small particles from your DVD lens.
Did I ask?
The cleaning process will soon begin and last for 30 seconds.
Alright, it's going. Riggedy-roo-ah ship. Oh, whoa. Bro, why did it just summon these planets? What? Yo, what? I click T instead of W. Dude, it's destroying. No. Oh, I think it's done.
The cleaning is complete now.
Cool.
Menu.
Alright, now I'm going back to the menu.
This program contains the cleaning process, ProLogic audio system check, 5.1 channel audio system
Alright.
check, audio frequency.
Alright, I gotta take the disc out. Yeah, so, that's kind of it. I cleaned the DVD lens. Okay. Yeah. Like every other DVD player, it can sense when there's no disc in there.
Goodbye.
Alright. Alright, so that's it for today, guys. See you later.